Next, addition of rational number. Let's consider example. If it is asks 1 upon 3 upon 1 upon 9 to add the rational numbers. So to add the rational numbers, your first work will be denominator should be same. You have 3 and 9, that is different denominator. First make it same by taking out the LCM. You have 3 and 9. Take out the LCM of it. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Your 3 is left. 3 ones are 3, 1 1. So your 3 into 3 LCM is equal to 9. Okay. After taking out the LCM, this is 9. That means denominator of both this rational number should be 9. Now how to make it 9? First take 1 upon 3. This is 3. You have to think that which number I should multiply this 3. So I should get 9 here. So if 3 is multiplied by 3, it will become equal to this LCM which is given, that is 9. So we'll multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. Whatever you multiply, the main important thing that is, remember, whatever you multiply, the same number you have to multiply the numerator. So denominator and numerator should be multiplied with the same number so that there should not be any change. It is making an equivalent fraction. You must have studied about equivalent fraction. You are multiplying with the same number. Your main aim is to make the denominator same. So if you are making the denominator same, you have to take the same number there in the numerator. The next part is 1 upon 9. When you check them, it's exactly same as LCM we found here. So we don't need to do any changes here. This will become 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. If you see carefully this part, both of them have same denominator, that is 9. So when you have same denominator, you can write only one 9. No need to write both. You can take out, when you're adding the rational number with the same denominator, just take out 9 and then you can write 3 plus 1, that is 4 upon 9 is the answer. So this is the way we are doing addition of rational numbers if you have different denominator. Addition of rational number means making the denominator same. If you have different denominator, your first work is to make the denominator same and then only solve. If you have same denominator, no need to take out LCM, but because we have different denominator, first we are going to take out LCM 7 and 14. This goes, both of them goes by 7 table. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Then 2 1s are 2, 1. So altogether if you take out LCM, that is 7 into 2, that is 14. That's LCM of two numbers, 7 and 14 is 14. Now, as you got LCM as 14, means this two denominator should be 14 only. Now, this is already 14. Now, how to make the first denominator as 14? Let's do 1 upon 7, write down. Now, think of the number which 7 should be multiplied so that you can get 14. 7 multiplied by 2, it becomes 14. Whatever you are multiplying, whatever number you are multiplying with the denominator, the same number has to be multiplied in the numerator. So 7 2s are 14, and the other number what we are taking, we don't need to do anything because it's already 14. So it becomes 2 upon 14 plus 1 upon 14. Now it's very easy. When the denominator is same, just add the numerator, that is 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 14. This is the way we do the addition of the rational number. Addition of rational number. If you have number 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, you cannot directly add these numbers because you have different denominators. So whenever you have different denominator, your first work is make it same. And to make it same, take out LCM of 2 and 3. Both of them comes in different table. So we can say 2 ones are 2, leave 3 as it is. Then 3 ones are 3. So altogether the LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 into 3, that is 6. That means we have to convert both the denominator, we have to change into 6. So start. Here 1 upon 2, you have to first think that which number this 2 should be multiplied, so that you can get here 6. If we multiply 2 with 3, that is 2 3s are 6. Whatever you are multiplying, like you are multiplying with 3, the denominator, to make it 6, the same number you have to multiply in the numerator. The next part, it is 1 upon 3. 3, what number we should multiply 3 so that we can get here 6. 3 can be multiplied by 2 so that you can get 6 here. So whatever number you are multiplying here in the denominator, multiply the numerator with the same number. So you'll get here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, plus 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. So our main aim was denominator should be same. We got the same denominator. When we get the same denominator, you can add the numerator, that is 3 plus 2 upon 6, that is 5 upon 6. So whenever denominators are different, add the numerator. Then you have to solve all this. Whenever it is same, just add the numerator and you get the answer.